Hello lovelies, I've just done a unboxing of this. So the Matrix Mega Sleek 96 hour anti-frizz top coat, heat activated smoothing serum, and I want to see what I can do with this because all the curls have come back. I straightened it quite a few days ago now. It's more on this side. I think there's just more hair over here, and I want to see what this does for straight hair. You can also use it for curly hair, which I didn't even realise, so it should work either way because obviously I've got lots of curls coming back. Before I do that, I just want to read, because I didn't do it in the previous video, the claims of it really. So we've got this little card here from them. So it says, Matrix, hey bestie, it's time to give your hair the ultimate seasonal glow up. Get ready to stay sleek and sun ready with our brand new Matrix Mega Sleek Anti-Frizz 96 hour top coat serum. Think of it as a hair umbrella that covers you from the crazy humidity levels out there with up to 96 hours of frizz protection. Whether you're hitting the beach or the city, our hydrophobic technology can defy frizz in up to 97% humidity to keep your strands smooth and radiant. Well, let me be the judge of that. Whilst this top coat is the star of the show for ultimate sleekness, combine it with our Mega Sleek shampoo and conditioner or mask for a complete three-step anti-frizz system that leaves hair utterly irresistible. So I'm going to try the top coat. If I like the top coat, I will buy those products. Our top coat serum is the perfect finishing touch, offering up to 230-degree heat protection whilst leaving a scent that screams vacation. Think a sweet gourmand spin of pistachio, salted caramel and a hint of fresh lemon. It's a long-lasting summer vibe that stays with you for up to 5 shampoos. We'd love to see how this fits into your summer get ready with me routine. Stay sleek, the Matrix team. So that's the card. This is the little serum. As I'm saying little, you get quite a lot of products. You get 50 mils, and I've just done a swatch in the previous video. It's kind of like a first impressions, I guess, and it is very, very runny. So you shake it before use, you'll be able to see. Shake it before use, and it's runny. It just smells so lovely. It smells like perfume, like it says. It's a gourmand scent, and it's got a lot of the notes that I like from a perfume. Anyway, I'm going to put my straighteners onto 230. I think it goes up that high because it says it can, 235. We'll put it on 235 then. It says basically the heat protection works up to 230 degrees, didn't it? So that's what we're going to do. Obviously you're not going to be able to see me do all of it, but maybe we'll start off with the side that's really curly. So we'll start off with this side. I'll do this, and then maybe I'll have to speed some up. I'll do what I can with you, and when it stops, it stops. When it cuts out, it cuts out. So I will say bye for now, but I'm going to continue doing the hair, and hopefully I'll be able to tell you what I think of it at the end. So, well, I've not even put any in yet. That's not going to work, is it? Oh, it's got a lock on it as well. I said that in the previous video anyway. Honestly, you do not need a lot. My hair's not the best though to straighten, just bear that in mind. Might work for me better on curly hair. It's very hot though. The other day when I used my straighteners, they were on 210. Oh, look at it all over my t-shirt. I've just sprayed it everywhere at this point because I didn't want to do it in small sections. I want to at least show you this side once it's finished. and I want to leave some time available to come back at the end and give you my thoughts. Oh, I might have put too much on. Like I said, it's extremely runny. Right, we've only got a little bit left. On this side anyway. And the other side shouldn't take long, but I'll do that off camera. Maybe we should do it before and after. Well, I did it before when I came on anyway, so you saw what my hair was like, but I mean, compare sides. And I know it, like straighteners, like even without hair serum, will obviously look better. Can never get the curls underneath though straightened, just because of this frozen shoulder I've got. But it doesn't have to be perfect. Right, I'm just going to do the last bit and then I'll come back. Okay, let's see, let's take the clip out. Yes, I can definitely see it's looking better than I did it the other day even. I wish I would have taken a video of when I first did it. Oh yes. Just, I would say this bit needs doing a little bit more. What do you guys think? Whoops, do not fall. Right, I'm going to leave it there and then I'll do the other side and come back. Right, so this is what we're looking like. It would look so much better with makeup, but at the moment I'm not allowed to wear makeup. I've not worn makeup now in over a week and I'm really missing it. But it's nice that Lorealistar and L'Oreal sent me this product to try out with you guys. Let me know if you've tried it out. I do think it's a really good product for my hair type. I didn't think it was going to work, but it does, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like when I have my hair curly as well. And I'll probably do another video when I use my Dyson with it as well, so look out for that. And yeah, I do really like it. It's making me want to run out and buy the shampoo and conditioner and hair mask, but I won't buy them just yet because I've got quite a lot. I've got quite a lot to use up, so I'll use them up first and then I'll go out and get them. Thank you Lorealistar for sending me that product. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.